What's up? I am going to play. How about NBA? Okay, 20.
Bye. Love you.
Love you, man.
Love you.
See you soon.
Oh.
Okay. So.
You are limping for sure.
Where are you going again? I'm Dallas. I just cannot score, can I? Oh no, guys. Oh no. Just so you know, I honestly always forget to start talking, so I'm really sorry. Oh, come on! How do you call that? Just so you know, I always forget that you guys are here. Let's go, finally. Finally I could score. Let's go, 1 point behind, 7.5 seconds. Okay, I gotta win this. Oh, that's final. See, I can't go to finals. I lost to that team twice. I'm gonna restart season 3. Ooh, season 4 is gonna be hard. Okay. Hopefully I can get this. I'm just gonna check that I'm still on. Okay, yep. Okay. We're good. This, by the way, the team I chose, honestly, sucks. I'm filming a YouTube video. Yeah, well, I'm screen recording. Come on, how could you call that? Ref. I barely even touched him. No! Oh, I scored. He is with Yoda. Oh yeah, 6-2. Let's do this. Oh man. Okay, let's go. Four ahead. Let's do this. Ah man. 11.2 till half. Uh-oh. Man. Why can't I just tell him I'm sorry? Still in the lead, but they're 2 behind. How did they start with 4? No, the tide. Goldmans are close. 10 is tall, but not quick. Number 0 is a beast, though. Where are they? Where are they actually? Oh. That was terrible. So they got 8. What is it? Let's go, we win! No, it didn't. Okay, that'll be it for today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell.